This is Connect 4, very similar to the actual game Connect 4, where you have the yellow and blue cylinders and you put them in that game board and then you try to connect 4 vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. We do the same thing, but just on a number chart. We're going to use a blank 120 chart for now because we're going to play the actual grade 1-2 version first. So roll 2 dice. Let's say I choose to make 63. I need to figure out where would 63 go on my game board here. So I might use blue and then my partner would use orange, and then whoever gets a Connect 4 first wins. Let's see. So I might use a strategy 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then 1, 2, 3. It's very surprising how many students will get this wrong at first. It is quite challenging. And then let's say we'll mock up a few just as examples. Say if I had 63, you might put 43 there, knowing that it's 2 tens less. Or you might put 74 there, knowing that it's 1 more 10 and 1 more. So we'd want students, once they start having a few numbers on the board, I'll just put a few more in just to get the game board rolling. 24. And then we'll try to use those for the next roll to help us place this number. So 50, so we know 43 is there, so 53 or 53 would be there, so 50 would be there at the end of the 40s. Let's do another one. 87. So we'd want to use 74 and then basically go 84, 85, 86, 87. And then it's a bit of a luck game. You can have a bit of strategy into it in that I probably should have used it as 78 to get a Connect 4 started, because 78 would get me there, you know, have a chance of connecting up there eventually. It would have been good, like you blocked the 43 here, so I couldn't get 33, 43, 53, 63. So it's a good idea to block your partner and also to try to build your own as you go, depending on whether you use it as a 78 or an 87. So that's the game there. It's really about 10 more, 10 less, 20 more, 20 less concept, and also about using what you have to help you with what you need to figure out, which is where would the numbers go. For support students, we often pre-write the 10s in, just like that, and we have a template already made in that 2-digit numbers unit that does that, just so that they have a little bit more assistance in the first round or two of the game.